Changing your payout method on pCloud is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment preferences are updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your pCloud account by entering your username and password on the pCloud website. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payout methods. In the account settings menu, find the section labeled payout methods or payment settings. Click on this option to view your current payout methods. Step 4. Update your payout method. Choose the payout method you wish to change. You can add a new method or edit an existing one. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information for your new payout method. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your payout method, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your new settings. Make sure to review your changes and ensure everything is correct. If you encounter any issues, consult pCloud support for assistance.